Millionaire secrets. Habits of the ultra-wealthy. Ever wondered what separates the rich from everyone else? It's not just luck or a big paycheck. Today, we're diving deep into the habits that set them apart from the rest. Stick around, because these tips could change your financial future. Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the secrets of financial success. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get into the millionaire habits that can transform your life. Habit number 1. The power of mindset. Millionaires believe in their ability to create wealth. They have a growth mindset, which means they see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Instead of saying, "I can't afford it," they ask, "How can I afford it?" This shift in perspective is crucial. Study books on personal development, surround yourself with positive influences, and continuously seek knowledge. Remember, your mindset shapes your reality. Next up, habit number 2. Goal setting and planning. Millionaires set clear, actionable goals and create detailed plans to achieve them. They don't just dream about success, they map out their journey. Start by setting specific, measurable and achievable goals. Whether it's saving for a house, investing in stocks or starting a business, having a plan keeps you focused and motivated. Habit number 3. Smart investing. The ultra-wealthy understand the importance of making their money work for them. They invest in assets that appreciate over time, like stocks, real estate and businesses. Do your research, diversify investments, and seek professional advice if needed. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Habit number 4. Continuous learning. Millionaires never stop learning. They stay updated with the latest trends, technologies and strategies in the financial world. Subscribe to financial newsletters, attend seminars and follow thought leaders in the industry. Knowledge is power, and staying informed gives you a competitive edge. Habit number 5. Networking and building relationships. The ultra-wealthy know the value of a strong network. They build and maintain relationships with other successful individuals. Join professional organizations, attend networking events, and always be willing to help others. Your network can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable support. Habit number 6. Health and wellness. The rich prioritize their health. They understand that a healthy body and mind are essential for success. Exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, and take time to relax and recharge. Your health is your greatest asset, so take care of it. Habit number 7. Giving back. Many millionaires believe in the importance of giving back to their communities. They donate to charities, support causes they care about, and use their wealth to make a positive impact. Find ways to give back, whether it's through donations, volunteering, or mentoring. Helping others can bring a sense of fulfillment and purpose to your life. Success doesn't happen overnight, but by incorporating these habits into your daily life, you can set yourself on the path to financial freedom. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on building wealth. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay motivated and keep striving for success.